What's going on, fellow moneymakers? In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can make some money from Facebook. That's right. So instead of some of those somewhat sketchy apps that we sometimes look at, and we've done pretty well with actually, this one is completely legitimate. You know that it is because it's Facebook, and that means you know you're going to get paid, and that is awesome. So what I'm going to focus on here is the announcement that Facebook has offered to pay users for their voice recordings. So that's really interesting. It's interesting for a few ways because, at the end of the day, your data has value. And those of us who have been doing surveys, downloading apps, and a variety of other GPT tasks, you're already familiar with this concept. And for many years, sites like Facebook and Google have been monetizing us without paying us appropriately. More precisely, they haven't even been paying us at all. So the recent announcement from Facebook indicates that this is actually likely to change, and that is really good news for us moneymakers. These deep-pocketed mega-cap tech companies are at the early stages of throwing us a bone. I think that this is probably the start of a long-term trend, which will force other companies to pay users money as well for their data. So what we're going to talk about is this voice recording that you can get paid for. So what you're going to have to do is head over to viewpoints.fb.com. That's Facebook's Viewpoints site. And this is a site where you're going to be able to do some surveys and get paid for doing surveys. And one of the surveys that you're going to be able to do is going to be inputting your voice and saying people's names, and they'll give you $5. I'll get into that in a second, but first of all, if you like these kind of videos and you want to make more money, make sure you sub to the channel because we're going to be putting up a ton of great money-making ideas. I've already got dozens of videos, ways that you can make $5, $10, $20 with your phone. So tons of value here. If you sub to the channel, you're going to make some more money, and I know that's why you're here, or else what are you here for? Anyway, so this on the screen here, I know I've been talking a lot, but this is the Facebook Viewpoints site. And you're just going to download the app, and you can check out their video. You can figure out how you contribute, how you get paid, what your rewards are. And really what this particular voiceover one is that I want to talk about is that Facebook is going to be offering to pay you for market research, basically. And the idea is that it's going to help Facebook build better apps and services that are going to benefit their community. So what you need to do to get the $5 cash reward is to open up the application, and basically you're going to sign up for it, and then you're going to be helping Facebook train its speech recognition program, which is called Portal, for use in smart speakers. So all you need to do to get the free $5 is to say, hey, Portal, once you have the app open, and then you can just start saying, it'll ask you to start saying the names of your friends into Viewpoints. So you say the names of your friends 5 times. Basically, you're helping Facebook's computer learn how to say different names. And once you've completed that enough times, they're going to give you $5. That's super easy. Just go download the app, get it rolling. Let me know what you think about it. This is some easy ways to make money. Make sure you sub to the channel. We're going to do tons more of these. Thanks for stopping by.